Hi, this is Matt with Hawley Inspections. Just looking around here at today's inspection, and when I got over here to the main water line, first thing I noticed is this bubble in the incoming water line. That tells me right off the bat that this is a lead line. Now, I'm gonna take my screwdriver. You saw how easily I just made that little scratch in it. That confirms that the water line coming into this house is lead. Now, depending on where you are in the country and what municipality you're in, a lot of them do have programs to help replace these water lines that are still out there that are lead. There's not a lot of them. I do know for in this area, they do actually have that protection in place. So for all your inspections and all your inspection needs in the St. Louis and the St. Louis Metro East, call Hawley Inspections at 314-257-0040 or 618-593-9631. We wish everyone a safe and happy day. Thank you.